If you own an iPhone, iPad, or Mac, you have probably heard of iCloud, but most people have no idea what it actually does. And because of that, they either waste money on storage or don't use iCloud properly at all. So let me explain how exactly iCloud works in simple terms. Think of iCloud like Apple's online storage system. When you turn it on, your photos, videos, file, notes, messages, and app data get safely copied to your Apple server. That means if your iPhone gets lost, stolen, or broken, your stuff is still safe. To check your iCloud settings, open up Settings. You're gonna go ahead and simply tap on your name. Scroll below, then tap on iCloud. Now here you will be able to find everything being synced to your iCloud account. Photos, messages, files, notes, backups, and more. And here is the cool part. iCloud does not just back up your file, it also syncs them. So a file on your Mac can instantly appear on your iPhone, or photos from your iPhone can show up in your iPad automatically. You can even log into iCloud.com and access everything from almost any device. Now, one setting you definitely want to turn on is iCloud Backup. Inside here, you need to go ahead and simply tap on iCloud Backup and enable it. This creates a full backup of your iPhone, including apps, settings, and data. So, if you ever get a new phone, you can restore everything in minutes like nothing ever happened. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.